मैंने ये तुम्हारे लिए किया। I did it for you. I did it for you. मुझे उससे इसकी उम्मीद नहीं थी। I didn't expect it from her. I didn't expect it from her. मुझे बताओ तुम क्या चाहिए। Tell me what you need. Tell me what you need. आपको क्या लगता है कि ये कौन है। Who do you think it is? Who do you think it is? आपको ये मजाकिया लगता है। You find it funny. You find it funny. आखिर में सही था। After all, I was right. After all, I was right. वो मेरी जगह नहीं ले सकता। He can't take my place. He can't take my place. सब कुछ तैयार कर लो। Get everything ready. Get everything ready. वो आपको देखकर खुश होगी। She will be happy to see you. She will be happy to see you. वहाँ क्या मिला। What did you find there? What did you find there? वो 2 घंटे में निकल जाएगा। He will leave in 2 hours. He will leave in 2 hours. अच्छा तुम यहाँ हो। Good. You are here. Good. You are here. वो मेरे पास पैसे के लिए आया था। He had come to me for money. He had come to me for money. मैं तुम्हारी बारे में सोच रहा था। I was thinking about you. I was thinking about you. मुझे इसकी आदत नहीं है। I am not used to it. I am not used to it. फिर इसकी आदत डालो। Then get used to it. Then get used to it. क्या तुम मुझे घूर रही हो। Are you staring at me? Are you staring at me? आप हमेशा सवाल पूछ रही है। You are always asking questions. You are always asking questions. मुझे इसे ठीक करने की जरूरत है। I need to get it fixed. I need to get it fixed. वे थोड़ी देर में आपके साथ रहेगी। They will be with you in a while. They will be with you in a while. मैंने अपना वादा निभाया। I kept my promise. I kept my promise. मैं जल्दी ही घर पहुंच रहा हूँ। I am reaching home soon. I am reaching home soon. मैं उसे जानता तक नहीं। I don't even know her. I don't even know her. ये कुछ और है. This is something else. This is something else. क्या आप कुछ कर रहे हैं? Are you saying anything? Are you saying anything? हम एक दूसरे से मिलने नहीं जाते. We don't visit each other. We don't visit each other. हम मदद के लिए उस पर निर्भर नहीं रह सकते. We can't depend on him to help. We can't depend on him to help. क्या आपको लगता है मैं जीत जाऊंगा? Do you think I will win? Do you think I will win? नहीं, मुझे ऐसा नहीं लगता. No, I don't think so. No, I don't think so. बोलने से पहले सोचो. Think before you speak. Think before you speak. तुम्हें बहुत देर हो गई. You are too late. You are too late. मैं नहीं आया तो क्या हुआ? What if I don't come? What if I don't come? मैं तुमसे कभी बात नहीं करूँगा. I will never talk to you. I will never talk to you. मैं जल्दी आने की कोशिश करूँगा. I will try to come early. I will try to come early. वो घर पर रहना पसंद करती है. She loves being at home. She loves being at home. मैं कल तक आने की कोशिश करूँगा. I will try to come by tomorrow. I will try to come by tomorrow. क्या तुम उन्हें जानते हो? Do you know them? Do you know them? आप जो कह रहे हैं वो सही है. What you say is right. What you say is right. मैं अपना पैसा वापस चाहता हूँ. I want my money back. I want my money back. मैं तुम्हारे साथ आऊँगा. I will come with you. I will come with you. क्या वो एक किताब पढ़ रहा है? Is he reading a book? Is he reading a book? कौन मुझसे मिलना चाहता है? Who wants to meet me? Who wants to meet me? मैं तुम्हारी बगैर कुछ नहीं हूँ. I am nothing without you. I am nothing without you. मैं ऑफिस जाने वाला था. I was about to go to office. I was about to go to office. तुम्हारी जाने से पहले मैं आऊँगा. I will come before you leave. I will come before you leave. मुझे किसी की मदद नहीं चाहिए. I don't want anyone's help. I don't want anyone's help.